Running a complex or high volume business, the last thing you want is generic support when your payments are on the line. Here's a quick way to check. Search for terms like dedicated account manager or personalized support. If you don't see clear mentions of hands on guidance, that usually means you will be left with scripted answers instead of real help. And with high risk businesses, that can lead to big problems when issues come up. Most processors scale with speed, not service. That means you are routed through call centers, ticket queues, or help docs, not a real person who knows your business. But high risk and high volume accounts need more than that. You need someone who is hands on, guiding you through issues before they become shutdowns. That's where EasyPay Direct stands out. They provide true white glove service, a dedicated point of contact who knows your account, helps optimize your payments, and works directly with banks on your behalf. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check them out. They also offer chargeback mitigation so you get proactive protection on top of hands-on service. If you want white glove support that goes beyond call centers, EasyPay Direct is built for you. The link to get started is right in the description.